a rare 1968 Shelby GT500 found in a dilapidated Texas barn. It's hard to imagine what it feels like walking up to an old rickety barn and see the predatory nose of a dusty 1968 Shelby GT500 fastback peeking through an old metal gate. Barn finds draw many cars fans because they are a four-wheeled versions of pirate treasures. Although instead of shimmering gold, emeralds, and rubies, you usually get a dusty heap of iron. The Shelby GT500 you see in these photos was not restored after it was found in one of the Texas sheds. Instead, it was kept as it was found. There was practically no rust on the body despite the unfavourable storage conditions, so it was decided to keep the car as close to the original as possible. Only the engine, transmission, suspension, and braking system were restored. It is better to restore or keep in original condition. There is no correct answer to this question. It all depends on the condition and rarity of the car. If a car is badly rusted, it really doesn't have much choice. This car was discovered by Amos Minter in the mid-2000s in one of the fragile barns in Texas. After checking the chassis number, it became clear that this was the only raving black Shelby GT500 shipped to Texas in 1968. The barn owner has owned a car since 1971. There is no explanation why he parked the muscle car for so long, but this is often due to the breakdown of some expensive parts. The bodywork from the Ford Mustang was significantly redesigned for the 1967 model, including an extension of the engine compartment to accommodate the mighty 7-liter big block V8 360 horsepower, topped with a Holley 715 CFM carburetor. The muscle car received a new front end, which was supposed to visually distance the Shelby from the standard Mustang. It included a double bonnet air intake and an extended bonnet line. In the rear, there are lights from the Thunderbird model and a new rear bumper. The interior has undergone some changes as well. In the years since this Shelby GT500 was discovered, it has gotten a brand new engine that looks a little dusty now. The fastback is still wearing the original tires. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye bye.